Yeah, if you go to our website, we have a 2:30 video out there that goes through all the climatology that we had for January, what it ended up being. And if you thought it was basically a month of two halves, you're correct. This gives you a look of what Eau Claire looked like the first half versus the second half. You can see the difference, and overall both places were below average for the whole entire month. But obviously the second half was much below average. So go over there on our website, or it'll be streaming on 8.2 occasionally to see what it looks like, what we had for January. Overall, we still got cloud cover coming in. It's just here and there. Further west you go, more cloud cover that'll keep the temperatures up. Further north you go, there's not much cloud cover going on, and that's why temperatures have fallen almost close to zero quite quickly this evening. That'll continue for areas here, but I think a lot of areas will kind of stabilize the temperatures after midnight, kind of remain more steady, given we will all have cloud cover coming through. Big picture shows it's all part of the system that is diving southeastward. It's a weakening system, not going to provide much in the way of precipitation, but cloud cover and maybe a little bit west of the river flurries, even a little bit of freezing drizzle too. It's a similar type of setup we saw a couple days ago that could exist. As you look out, we continue to see most of this is going to show cloud cover west of the river. The time frame to look for that precipitation flurry or maybe even a little bit of freezing drizzle is really right after about 5 a.m. and mainly west of Eau Claire, west of La Crosse, and these areas that could see that light precipitation that comes through before the clouds begin to break up a little bit past 9 to 10 in the morning. Now tomorrow, further west and north you go, more cloud cover. Further south and east you go, more sunshine. Cloud cover will expand once again for the entire area as we go into tomorrow evening, because that's the warm front that'll be approaching Wednesday night. So temperatures will be a lot more milder going into Thursday with that warm front approaching. Highs tomorrow, a few degrees warmer than we had today. You won't have that wind. There's a little bit of a wind chill out there for today. That won't be the case tomorrow, so it'll feel warmer. Once again, the cloud cover, depending on where you are, we will see some sun, but there'll also be clouds overall. Now Thursday, the temperatures rise well above freezing, mid-30s, maybe getting close to 40. We'll see how much sunshine we can get in the afternoon between the system, between a warm front and cold front passing through. Now precipitation, we have two periods to keep an eye on. Thursday night, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, really. As the warm front comes through, you can see the 3D look of a little bit of a snow. Most of the snow is going to stay to the north, but you can see a little bit of an area stretching across, maybe as far south as La Crosse, maybe a little bit further south. That'll come through pretty much about 4 to maybe 7 a.m. You can see a little more pronounced activity as you go further north of the area too. That comes through at the tail end of this, when we don't have the precipitation there displaying, that's when we could see a little bit of freezing drizzle before we actually see potentially a break in the cloud cover. And then the cold front comes through Thursday night, and similar setup. Most of the precipitation, as you see the snow come through here, is going to be further north and east of the area, although we will likely see some light precipitation as the cold front comes through. The bigger story going into Friday is the temperatures will fall and the winds will pick up. You can see all these blue arrows indicating colder air coming into the area, but it's not that much colder than really average as we go into Saturday. So we'll see falling temperatures Friday, Saturday about average, and then we're going to flip right around and start warming back up into the 40s likely for many areas Monday and Tuesday. And then it gets quite active for the middle of the week, and there's a lot of question marks going into the middle of next week as how much precipitation we'll have. The thing that we do know is we're going to have above average probably temperatures throughout next week. It just depends how far we'll get with that. So more to come on that, but yes, it will be mild.
All right, those temperatures are coming up, everybody.
They are coming up.
Thank you, Greg.